That is why I introduced to you the carbon dads. CDs are nano-sized particles that typically measures less than 10 nanometers. These tiny particles have unique properties including optical characteristics, non-toxicity, hydrophilicity, and more, making it flexible in various applications, while focusing in the efficiency in adsorption of lead-2. Due to its high surface areas and variety...
Due to its na, due to its.
Okay, yun na lang.
Due to its.
Due to its high surface area and variety of functional groups, allowing metal ions to bind sufficiently as a better biosorbent. Mahogany leaves are invasive plant species that are locally abundant in the Philippines. This leaf contains allelochemicals. Because of it, These leaves contain allelochemicals. Because of its allelopathic property, it releases the chemicals that damages the nearby plants. However, these allelochemicals, specifically the presence of tannins, consist of orthohydroxyl phenolic group, is responsible in metal ion complexation, resulting to natural metal binding capability of carbon dads from mahogany leaves. In examining the existence of CDs, the different testings was used such as photoluminescence testings and scanning electron microscopy with energy dispersive X-ray spectroscopy or SEM-EDX. For the PL testing, CDs possess a unique optical property that is utilized in this study for the preliminary confirmation of synthesized CDs. And for the SEM, plastic-like image with a smooth glossy structure having a homogeneous for the SEM na confirmation of the CDs. And for the SEM, plastic-like image with a smooth and glossy structure having a homogeneity. And for the SEM plastic-like image with a smooth and glossy structure having a homogeneity.
Para si RuPaul dyan.
Hi! I'm Lynn from
Las Vegas.
Dali lang. From
Homogeneity.
Kainin natin
And for the SEM, plastic-like image with a smooth
Oh! Feed our dog niya.
i-edit pa to.
Parang
I-edit
yung
pa to.
dati yung feed our dog niya.
Wait, Kremay, lapit mo na onti ah.
Nangangalay na ako.
Kremil ko kasi, masakit din itong ginagawa namin, no? Dali
Mainit
na.
pa.
space. And for the SEM, plastic-like image with a smooth and glossy structure.
Ano ba yan?
Nakita ko kasi yung word na homogeneity.
Ngasim ko.
Homogeneity. Yun na, yung nagtaka ka pa lagi ka nung
go. And for the SEM, plastic-like image with a smooth and glossy structure having a homogeneity structure that intensifies the fluorescence CDs. The particles are distinguished into spherical shapes, morphology, and crystalline-like appearance. Layered and wrinkled surface indicates a crucial part in the complex morphology for binding capabilities. For the EDX, two primary factors ulit.
Sabi ko lakas ang boses mo, hindi
For the EDX, For the EDX, two primary factors that formulates the CDs. Oxygen, having 49.38% because of the oxidation process during hydrothermal synthesis, producing functional groups carboxyl and hydroxyl. And an essential confirmation for the successful synthesis of CDs is the presence of carbon, elemental composition of 43.24%. Okay. While the adsorption of lead-2 was
Ano ba yung
sabi ko kasi,
info?
was nakita mo na yun, eh. While the adsorption of lead-2 was tested through fluorescence quenching using color analyzer app, comparing the before and after emission of light under ultraviolet light. The results show an effective adsorption since the intensity of the emitted light from CDs decreases as it inhibited by particles. The treatment 1, 2, and 3 decreases 2.97, 15, and 25.3 intensity correspondingly. The aim of this study is to develop a valuable nanomaterial which provide efficient treatment for wastewater contamination by using a sustainable biomass. At the same time, managing an invasive plant species. And that is all. Thank you.